In chemistry, let us understand the redox reaction. A redox reaction, or it is an oxidation reduction half reaction, it involves the transfer of electrons between the chemical species like atoms, ions, or molecules that are involved in the reaction. Let us understand first oxidation. Oxidation is the loss of electron. It is accompanied by an increase in its oxidation number. Now, if we consider the ionic reaction, considering iodide ion that gets oxidized to iodine, that means it is from -1 charge to 0. That means there is an increase in the oxidation number with a loss of 1 electron. Similarly, for the ferrous sulfate ionic reaction, Fe plus 2 undergoes oxidation giving Fe plus 3 ferric ion with the loss of electron. So oxidation is loss of electron and it increases the oxidation number. Reduction is gain of electron and it decreases the oxidation number. Now considering the oxidizing agent MnO4 minus, that is from the KMnO4, it undergoes a reduction, that is Mn having plus 7 charge. On reduction it has now Mn with plus 2 charge. So it is a gain of electrons and it decreases the oxidation number. Similarly, iodine, if we take from 0 to I minus, so by taking the electron, it gains electron. Iodine plus electron gives iodide ion, or cerium ion, cerium sulfate, cerium ion with plus 4 gains electron, it forms cerium plus 3. Now let us understand the reducing agent. The agent that causes other substance to gain electrons, that is, it helps others to undergo reduction, itself it gets oxidized. Now we will consider this in an example of an oxidation reaction where FeSO4, the ionic reaction we have taken is Fe plus 2 undergoes oxidation. Itself it acts as a reducing agent. That means if we consider FeSO4 titrating it with MnO4, KMnO4, now Fe undergoes oxidation from plus 2 to plus 3 charge, it gives the electron. So the reaction is oxidation reaction, but what is the reducing agent? It causes other substance to gain electrons. Now the electron which has been lost here, it will be gained by an oxidizing agent, that is KMnO4. So it accepts the electron here and hence it gets reduced. So this FeSO4 loses electron themselves and increase in its own oxidation number while giving this electron to the other reactant. In this case there are oxidizing agent and reducing agent, right? So it gives the electron to the oxidizing agent and hence it undergoes reduction. Similarly, the oxidizing agent is the one that causes other substance to lose electron, that is, it helps the other substances to undergo oxidation. That is why it acts as an oxidizing agent, because it oxidizes other and itself it gets reduced and decreases its own oxidation number. Now this we can understand from the reaction given for the reduction reaction. Now here see, iodine we have taken, it gives iodide ion by gaining the electron. So I2 plus electron, it gives iodide ion. So itself it undergoes a reduction reaction. So this acts as an oxidizing agent where it has caused the other substance to undergo oxidation, and hence by oxidation that substance has lost its electron which is gained by this I2. So it causes other substance to lose electron, that is, it helps others to undergo oxidation and itself it gets reduced.